people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about the Alo credit card. So I got a comment, and the comment was talking about how they got approved for this credit card, and I want to talk to you guys about it because I did a lot of research, and I'm like, wow, this card can actually be really good for a lot of people, especially if you're rebuilding your credit. Now, the most I've seen that someone got approved for this credit card was around $3,000. I'm going to make sure I put up a lot of different approvals here so you guys can get the roundabout number about how much you could possibly get approved for. But understand too, I got a comment saying that they didn't get approved for a certain credit card for the amount that I said. I think it was like $10. They can get it. I mean, not $10, $10,000. I was talking about the care credit. They said they only got approved for 2,000. What was they doing wrong? Everybody's situation is different. So you can get approved for a different amount. So keep that in mind, everybody. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, they got two different credit cards. They got the platinum and then they have the rewards. So if you guys want to get a credit card and you don't want to pay an annual fee, which is what I like, I tell you guys, try not to get an annual fee, especially if you're starting to build your credit. Try to get a credit card without annual fee. Then the platinum card is the best card for you. You guys won't have an annual fee at all. You guys are going to get automatic credit line increases reviews, so you don't have to request a increase from them. Usually they're going to go ahead and give you they're going to give you an increase at that 6 month mark. Some people said they got it at the 3 month mark, but you're going to get an increase on this as long as you're paying your bill on time, and hopefully you guys are keeping your balance low. You're not letting a huge balance report to the credit bureaus. You guys shouldn't have a problem at all with getting an increase. So they also have other fees they do not charge, other than some other credit cards. They charge a lot of different fees. These are the fees that they do not charge. If you guys are over the limit, they're not going to charge you fees. Other credit cards will charge you a fee if you go over your limit. If you guys have a return payment, they won't charge you a fee for that. No foreign transaction fees, which is really good. And they will not hike up your rate if you make a late payment. Sometimes certain companies will hike up your rate if you making late payments. So that's kind of how, if you mess up on a card, you can end up with a huge balance. And you're like, where did this balance come from? Because your fees probably went up and then all those late payments. But this is the platinum credit card. Now let's go over the other credit card, the rewards credit card, because with this credit card, you guys are going to actually get 2% cash back. So you guys are going to earn a limited 2% cash back. And again, this one, you're not going to have those same fees. So no over the limit fees, no return payment fees, no foreign transaction fees, and they're not going to hike up your rate. Now, this is the thing with this one. You have a low annual fee. So the annual fee is going to be $39. I like to compare this to like the Capital One credit card, because Capital One, they got the Quicksilver and the Platinum. This is like Capital One's Quicksilver. Think of it like that, if you're familiar with Capital One Quicksilver, because it's a $39 annual fee for their Quicksilver. You guys are going to get 2% cash back on all gas station, grocery store, and drugstore purchases, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. But don't forget, you guys are going to get a $39. You're going to have that $39 annual fee. Now, if you guys want to apply for this credit card, you have to get an offer through the mail. That's the only downside. I've been showing you guys a few credit cards. You got to get the offer in the mail, but let me show you guys how to get the offer in the mail so that you guys can actually respond to an offer. So when you guys actually get the offer in the mail, you come right to their website, put the reservation number in, the access code in, and click submit. And you guys can go ahead and see what they can offer you. Now, I got mixed reviews. Some people said that they got pulled on TransUnion. Some said Equifax. So, I'm not sure which one they're going to pull, but I really think TransUnion may be the actual credit bureau. But, keep in mind that information may not always be valid. It may be Equifax or TransUnion Equifax. Now, if you guys want to get offers like this and other credit cards in the mail, you guys have to go to the third-party bureaus, the ones that actually send out these notices or that actually opt you in so that you can get these notices of credit cards and all these pre-approvals, like Credit One, Capital One, all the different credit card companies. So it's two websites I always tell people to go to. I always tell people to go to Factor Trust. So you want to go ahead and opt in. You do not want to opt out. If you opt out, that means, hey, don't send me any notices about any credit cards, any pre-qualifications. I don't want it. Opting in means, hey, send me a lot of offers. I need to be on the list for all the offers. So you want to opt in. Go ahead and click submit. You want to go ahead and fill out this application. with your first and last name, social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and then your email address. Now, this is a small credit bureau, so your information may already be in the system, but I always tell people to put their information in again just to make sure that they're updating information in the system. I always tell you guys about when I actually called them because I was trying to do a shopping cart trick and I want to make sure my information was correct. They told me that they had a certain address for me, but that address was 6 years old. I haven't lived there for 6 years. So you may already be in the system without even opting into it, but you want to make sure your information is updated. So I always tell people to fill out this application, go ahead and confirm it. It's going to take about 5 to 7 days to be in the system. But if you fill out this application, you can go ahead and give them a call and just confirm the information that they have. Confirm that they got the correct address, and really the address and the phone number. Those are the major things. Everything else should really be the same, but go ahead and give them a call. Now, another company you want to actually put your information with is the opt out pre screen. Now, again, this is so you guys can get all of those credit offers in the mail. So you want to go all the way down to the bottom. You want to click here to opt in or opt out. Then you want to go down again. And remember, we want to opt in. We want to get the offers in the mail. And you guys do not want to opt out. Go ahead and click continue. So you guys want to put the same information in that you put into Factor Trust, your first and last name, your social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code. But they're actually asking for your phone number. I suggest you guys definitely put that in, especially if you're trying to do the shopping cart trick. If you guys are trying to do a shopping cart trick, it's best that you guys put this in so that you can get the pop-ups for a shopping cart trick. And security code, go ahead and put this code in so that they can confirm that you're not a bot. That you're not a bot. But if you do this, like I said, 5 to 7 days, you should be in the system all the way to the point where you should start getting some offers in a month or two. Sometimes you can get them sooner. Sometimes you go to certain websites, you may get pre-approval saying, hey, you're pre-approved. So, everybody's situation is different, but if you need to call them, definitely go ahead and call them. And here's their number here at the bottom. Now, if you guys want me to make a video for you of other credit cards, definitely let me know. I'm here for you guys. I'll make a video for you. I know I have a lot of comments, but don't forget, little ones still 3 weeks, so I gotta get to those comments. But I'm not even supposed to be working right now. I'm just bored in a sense. So I need to find something to do. So this kind of keeps me feeling like a human, like working. So definitely love making these videos, but definitely go ahead and leave me a comment on what video you want me to make next, and I'll go ahead and make that video for you guys. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.